you want to know about the Paleo diet. The Paleolithic diet, more commonly known as the Paleo diet, is directly inspired by the diet of our ancestors who ate more naturally, unprocessed foods. You should know, however, that it is more than a diet to lose weight. It is, above all, a rather restrictive lifestyle. Eating as our ancestors, the basic principle: our ancestors were primarily hunter-gatherers, so they mainly consumed animal proteins and natural foods. To follow this diet, you will need to favor a diet rich in meats, fruits, vegetables and nuts, and forget all cereals and dairy products, since they did not exist during the Paleolithic era. In regards to sugars and fats, they are consumed in their natural form. Why? Because, according to this diet, the human body would better digest and more easily assimilate the foods that have been consumed for thousands of years. Foods allowed during the Paleo diet. To follow this diet, you can eat all lean meats from animals fed exclusively on grass, poultry, wild fish, eggs, vegetables poor in starch such as cauliflower, broccoli or zucchini, untreated cold-pressed oils such as olive oil, coconut oil and avocado oil, moderately sweet fruits, nuts, sweet potatoes, yams and other root vegetables, and, finally, untreated herbs and spices. Foods to avoid during the Paleo diet. The list of foods prohibited in the Paleolithic diet is rather consistent. Avoid sweet products, dairy products, cereals and their derivatives such as flour, cakes and bread. Avoid, also, industrial products like soda, pre-prepared meals, and crisps and other appetizer biscuits. You will also have to eliminate from your diet all cooked or extracted oils, legumes such as beans, soybeans or chickpeas. Recommended cooking during the Paleo diet. It is clear that, during the Paleolithic era, if fire already existed, our ancestors continued to eat mainly raw foods. If you can actually eat as much raw food as possible, such as vegetables in salads, you are still allowed to cook the food, but take care to preserve it as much as possible. For this, go for steaming or cooking at low heat, without the addition of fat, which will preserve the vitamins of the food. The health benefits of the Paleo diet. The Paleo diet contributes to obvious weight loss, and it is also good for your health, especially to limit the risk of cardiovascular disease, diabetes or even allergies. It also has very positive effects on the skin and helps you regain a beneficial sleep. It also provides ideal digestion. In addition, its high content of protein and dietary fiber also provides a quick sense of satiety, which eliminates daily cravings at all hours. Since it's hard to follow the diet for a long time, you can do so for a short time and there still will be a positive effect. Eating like your ancestors will make you look funny, but will also allow you to realize that many foods and processed products sold on the market do not serve any purpose.